Our landscape is so much more than just what we see about us today. It contains the signs and sometimes hidden clues of past events and human activities, helping us understand what has made us what we are. World from Above Aerial Profiles examines our landscape through the eyes of a bird, showing us how our history and culture, as well as the forces of nature, have all left their marks, telling the story of where we live. Each 52-minute episode features a different country, state, or region and shows how it has developed using aerial footage from helicopter, drone, and satellite. Unique mapping technologies and historical imagery help bring our landscape, quite literally, to life. We look at how key people have helped shape our countries, at the effects of momentous events in history, and the results of incredible forces of nature. We see how human activity has left its visible mark on our landscape, and how the landscape, in turn, has influenced the development of our countries. And we examine the continuing impacts of sociological and environmental change. In 2020, we will launch Aerial Profiles with 5 52-minute programmes covering 4 fascinating places. Aerial Profiles comes from the makers of World from Above and will be available in 4K. We start with Denmark, one of the oldest monarchies in the world and, with 443 islands, home to a seafaring people of conquerors and explorers. The age of the Vikings gave way to a nation that made great advances in science and engineering, and Denmark is now regarded as one of the most economically and socially developed countries in the world. Italy was the cradle of the Roman Empire and home of the Renaissance. Its varied landscape ranges from smouldering volcanoes to elegant lakes, and it boasts an abundance of fabulous architecture from all ages of its history. All of this reflects Italy's tremendous cultural, historical, and spiritual importance, spanning more than 2 centuries and justifying its inclusion in 2 episodes. The state of Montana in the United States is not only a showcase for some of the country's most impressive landscapes, but has an important place in the history of Native Americans. Its rich mineral wealth attracted many new settlers and industries, leading to inevitable conflict and significant battles. Today, Montana is home to one of the greatest national parks in the US and is a major tourist destination. Scotland has been inhabited since the last ice age, and its beautiful landscape shows both the effects of glacier activity as well as many signs of the constant conflicts with England until it became part of Great Britain in 1707. Known for its strong Celtic culture, Scotland has always been fiercely independent. While it comprises more than 37% of the landmass of Great Britain, it accounts for less than 9% of its population. Aerial Profiles is a continuing series of visually beautiful programmes explaining the sights and secrets of our landscape to tell the stories of where we live.